Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video for Royal Fairness Night Cream. Yes, what is the Royal Fairness Night Cream and how to make it, that I'm going to show you today. The ingredients I'm going to use in it is lemon, wild turmeric, almond powder, lemon zest, almond oil and yogurt. First of all, I'm going to tell you what benefits this all ingredient give to us. First, we will start with lemon. It reduces blackheads, it is antibacterial, it will lighten and brighten your skin, and it will give you a radiant look. Now about turmeric. As we all know, it is anti-inflammatory in qualities. It reduces scars and it is also best for the oily skin. Almond. As we know, almond, how much beneficial it is for our body, for our skin and also for our brain. I'm going to tell you how much beneficial it is for our skin. Almond, it helps in whitening skin, it removes the scars, it reduces pimples and also acne marks, it gives a glow to the skin and it also rejuvenates skin, it also reduces wrinkles. And the qualities about yogurt I'm going to tell you now. It reduces fine lines, it reduces wrinkles, it is an anti-aging ingredient, and the lactic acid which is in yogurt, it dissolves dead skin and it tightens the pores. And lemon zest also act in brightening our skin and it gives a very radiant look, and that's why I have used lemon zest in it. So now mixing this all ingredients, I'm going to make the Royal Fairness Night Cream, and let's start now. First we are going to take an empty bowl and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. Try to mix the yogurt which is not containing water in it. So first I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. So here are the 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then next what I'm going to use in it is lemon zest. I'm going to put lemon zest in it. So only little of the lemon zest I'm going to put in it. And then I'm going to put 1 pinch of turmeric in it. 1 pinch of turmeric. Then the next ingredient I'm going to use in it is almond powder. Almond powder I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoons in it. So I have added 1.5 tablespoons of almond powder in it, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. If you have oily skin, try to avoid almond oil in it. But if you have dry skin, you can use almond oil in it. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of almond oil. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of almond oil in it. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it very well. So that all the ingredient become very much infused in it. The almond in it will work great for the skin and it will give a very royal look, and it is also very royal fairness serum that I'm showing to you. Mix it very well. Every ingredient in it will give your skin a fresh and a glowing look, and you can keep it for night, or you can also apply and keep it for half an hour and wash it after it. You will see the glow of it. I'm going to apply and show it to you after mixing it well. Now after mixing it well, what last we have to do, we have to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it. So I'm going to add lemon juice in it. It is the same lemon which I have used for zest, so that the lemon doesn't get wasted. And again I'm going to mix it well so that lemon gets combined with the ingredients. And now I have mixed it well, and now I'm going to apply it onto my skin, and I'm going to show you after washing it in 30 minutes that how much effective and glowing skin it does give to my skin, and it will also give to your skin. So I'm going to apply. So here I have applied this on my hand. A little irritation or sensation may occur due to lemon juice. I'm going to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it and show you how glowing and how radiant my skin looks. And I'm going to wait for 20 minutes now. Now 20 minutes have been occurred, and I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to show you how glowing and effective glow I have got in my skin. I have washed my hand, and you can see how beautiful and how glowing my skin looks. The same way, if you apply this, you are going to have a glowing and a healthy skin. So guys, if you like, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new.